सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अपोजिंग इंस्टीट्यूट को और साथ में प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन को ताकि हमारे वीडियोस के सारे लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स पहुंचे सबसे पहले आपके पास।
Hello, my dear students of class 6. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. My dear students, as you know, exercise 1E is finished, and today we are going to learn exercise 1F. In this exercise, we will understand how to estimate the quotients, how to divide the number by rounding off. So, let's start this exercise 1F. So, before starting the exercise 1F, we will understand how to estimate the product. Okay, so let's understand it. So as you know how to estimate the product in the exercise 1E, आपने पढ़ा था, अच्छे से उसको समझा भी था, आप ये भी जानते हैं how to round off a number. So let's talk about how to round off a number again. So imagine you have a number 234, right? And you want to round off it to nearest 100. So you will have to change the last two digit into 0 and 2 will become 2. Okay, and again if the number is 284, then you will write these two digits as 0 and 2 will become 3. Why 3? Because this is 8. 8 is greater than 0. So अगर आपने अभी तक वीडियो को वॉच नहीं किया है हाउ टू राउंड ऑफ अ नंबर, हाउ टू एस्टिमेट अ नंबर, देन पिछली वीडियोस को वॉच कर लीजिए। एक्सरसाइज 1D अगर आप वॉच करते हैं तो आपको सारी चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाएंगी। 1D एक्सरसाइज अगर आपने नहीं किया तो कर लीजिए और एक्सरसाइज 1E भी कर लीजिए, और इसके बाद आप एक्सरसाइज 1F वॉच करिए ताकि चीज़ें आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएं। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ सनबीम पब्लिक स्कूल, लेट्स सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज 1F. So there are question number 1. Find the estimated quotient for each of the following. Question number 1 is 87 divided by 28. So you can see here, this is 87 estimated to nearest 90. इसको यहाँ पर estimate किया गया, round off किया गया. This is 87, right? And इसको round off करना है nearest 10. कैसे round off करेंगे आप? यहाँ पर आपको देखना होगा कि ones कौन सा नंबर है, कौन सी डिजिट है. So on the place of ones there is 7 and 7 is greater than 5. ठीक है, ये 7 जो है वो 5 से बड़ा है, और इस कंडीशन में 7 जो है वो तो आपका 0 हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये जो आपका 8 है इसमें हम 1 प्लस कर देंगे. राइट, नाउ वी विल ऐड 1 into 8 and 8 and 1 will become 9. So 87 estimated to nearest 10 will be equal to 90. I think आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Now you can see here, this is 28. Okay, 28. And how to round off this number? Again nearest 10 करना है तो इसको देखिए कौन सा डिजिट है, ये 8 and 8 is greater than 5. So as usual 8 will turn into 0 and 2 will turn into 3 because हम यहाँ पर 1 प्लस करेंगे. कब प्लस करते हैं और कब नहीं करते हैं? जब ये जो आपका 8 है ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ 8 1 2 3 4 या 5 या 0 होता है. ठीक है, 0 1 2 3 4 में से कोई एक डिजिट होती है तब हम प्लस नहीं करते हैं. एंड व्हेन इट इज मोर देन 5 और इक्वल टू 5 देन वी विल ऐड 1 into this digit. So now you have 87 estimated to nearest 10 90, and 88 estimated to nearest 10 equal 30. 28 estimated to nearest 10 equal 30. Hence the required estimation will be equal to 90 divided by 30. We will divide both the numbers 90 and 30. So as you know, we can write this like 90 upon 30. 0 and 0 will cancel out. Now this is 9 upon 3. Cancel it. So 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So 3 is your answer. So as you can see here, 3 is your answer. So one more method is how to divide the 90 by 30. That is, write 90 like this and 30 like this. Then count the table of 30. 30 ones are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90. Subtract it, cancel out. So now you can see here you have the 3 answer. Okay, now let's solve the question number 5. In this question, you can see here there are 725, which is 3 digits number, and 23, which is 2 digit number. So we will round off the 720 to nearest 100, and we will round off the second number 23 to nearest 10. So 725 round to this number to nearest 100. So nearest 100, these both 2 and 5 will become 0 and 7 will remain same because there is 2. 2 is a weak number, so we will not add 1 in this one. So this is 700. Now estimate the 23. So you can see here this is 2 digit number, 2 and 3, 23. So what is ones? 3. 3 is less than 5, then it will become 0 and 2 will remain same. Why same? हमने 1 प्लस क्यों नहीं किया इसमें, क्योंकि ये आपका 3 है. प्लस इसमें 1 प्लस करते कब करते, जब ये जो 3 है वो 1 2 3 4 या फिर 0 होता है. Now you have the 725 estimated to nearest 100 700 and 23 estimated to nearest 10 equal 20. Hence estimated quotient is equal to 700 divided by 20, which is 25. How to divide these numbers? You have always 2 methods. Write 700 like this and 20 like this. Now count the table of 20. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60. Right here 60. Subtract it, you will get 100. Now this 0 will come here. This 0 will come here on this place. So it will become 0. Now 25s are 100. Okay, and this will be cancelled out. So 35 is your answer. Now let's talk about the second method. Write the 700 upon 20. Now 0 and 0 will cancel out. You have 70 upon 2. Divide the 70 by 2. You will get 35. Alright. So now you have the answer 35. Let's talk more questions about it. Let's discuss more questions. Like here a question, 633 divided by 33. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7. (633) divide by 33, and here I'm not going to write the statements. You have to write it in your copy, but I'm gonna tell you directly how to solve this type of question. Okay, so direct solve करेंगे इसको. You can see here this is 630. After round off you will get 600. Yeah, 600 divide 33 30, and 0 and 0 will cancel out. 60 divided by 3, you will get 20 as answer. Now next question, question number 3. Question number 3, 75 divide by 23. आपको कॉपी में इस तरह से डायरेक्ट नहीं करना है जैसे हम बता रहे हैं, आप सॉल्व करके करिएगा. सो यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज 75. ओके, लेट अगेन राइट. दिस इज 75 डिवाइड बाय 23. लेट्स सॉल्व इट. सो राउंड ऑफ दिस नंबर, एस्टिमेट दिस नंबर. दिस इज 75 and it will become 80. Divide by 20. 0 and 0 will cancel out, and you will get 8 upon 2, and 2 4s are 8. Okay, so you will get 4 as an answer. So similarly you can solve all the questions like this. And if you want to solve other want to understand with more examples, let's understand one more question. Like you have given the 784 divide by 42. So how will you solve it? You will round off this number 784 and it will become 800, because these two will will change into 0, and 7 में 1 प्लस करके हम 8 राइट कर लेंगे. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं 40 है, ये 4 वैसे का वैसा रहेगा, और ये 2 जो है ये 0 में चेंज हो जाएगा, कुछ यूँ. अब डिवाइड कर लीजिए, 0 एंड 0 विल कैंसिल आउट. 80 डिवाइड बाई 4 ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा आपका. 4 2 Z 20 आंसर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. ऑलराइट, आई होप आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा, सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको समझ में आ रहे होंगे. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टैंड these questions, then watch these videos many times. आपको समझ में ज़रूर आएगा. आई थिंक आप पूरा ध्यान नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, इस वजह से समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. अगर आप पूरा ध्यान देंगे तो आपको चीज़ें जल्दी ही क्लियर होंगी. प्लीज़ मेक योर फेयर कॉपी, योर नोट्स कॉपी, and help your friends to solve these questions. So stay connected, stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.